In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to do progress claim in BuildSpace. First, please ensure that your project is already in post-contract stage. Then, click on the post-contract module. Then, click at the claim certificate and click Activate Claim Certificate. You will have to fill in all details, especially those with asterisks. Once you are done, click Save. You can see your project status is in progress. Click on the project breakdown. Then, double-click on the build to go to the element level. You can always update the progress by element level by filling in the up-to-date claim either by percentage or by amount. To key in, simply single-click on the column and press Enter or Space. Then, press Enter or Space again to save your figure. Or, you can also double-click on the element to go to the item level. Here, you can also apply the same step to key in the progress. You can either update by percentage, by quantity, and even by amount. Once you're done, click Project Breakdown and click Reload. You can see the system will auto-calculate the progress claim for you. You can also export the claim set in the form of Excel. Simply click Claim Certificate, then click Export to Excel. The claim set in the Excel file will look something like this. Once you are done with the progress claim and it has been finalized, click on the claim certificate and here you can click Approve. The status will change to Approved. To adjust the print layout of your claim set, click Claim Certificate Layout Settings. Here, you can tick to include necessary item to your claim set or untick if you find it unnecessary, then click Save. To print, click Claim Certificate List and double-click the claim. Then, click Claim Certificate Print Info up here and click Print. Your claim set will be auto-uploaded in the form of PDF file format.